Alright, if like me you got your brand new PlayStation 5 but you don't like the boring white and black color, you prefer, some other color, it's possible. On PlayStation Shop now they are selling those new plates which are blue, but I believe you can also get the black one and maybe some red one. But I took the blue, of course, and I'm going to show you how quickly install those on your PlayStation 5. It's right now. But first, let's see how they look like. That's the box they come in. Let's see the new plates, the new color plates. All right, now that's how they are organized in the box. There is some kind of user manual in case if you need one, but I'm going to show you exactly what the user manual say, the way to put them on your PlayStation 5. All right, plate number 1. Plate number 2. Bottom and top one. Here we go, reveal time. That's how they look like. Looks very nice. I like the blue color. It's really like matching my watch even, so that's great. And there is the PlayStation logo engraved on the corner like the original. And that's the back of it. And here we go. So that's the CD area. No PlayStation logo on this one, but just the slit here for the disk drive. And that's the back of it. All right, now time to install them on the PlayStation 5. First of all, you have to position your PlayStation horizontally with the disk drive in the bottom, and then you have the PlayStation logo on the top right corner here. So to remove the plates, the top plates, you just lift a little bit where the PlayStation logo is, and then you do this movement. You go slightly on your left, okay? You hold here with your left hand the panel as you slide to avoid too much brutal force on the left, and it should go out easy. Do not do like you see on some video on YouTube. Do not just like pull out directly from the corner and directly out or up the panel. You may damage it, especially the anchor, the little tab in the back. So demonstration. Here, the hand here, we are going to lift this movement a little bit and then go that way. Lift. Here we go. And now the panel is out. And as you see, I didn't break any of the little hooks in the back with this method. Now, time to flip over your PlayStation. Remember the logo was here on the top right corner, so I'm going to flip it over like so, delicately. Now the disk drive is facing here on the top left corner, and since the logo was here on the other side, I'm going to lift here on this side, so the bottom right corner, and do the same thing. I lift and then I push on the left while holding with my hands the panel. So here we go, lifting here and slightly on the left, the panel is out, no hook broken. All right, now time to bring the new panel. So basically it's the reverse procedure that we just did. So I'm going to put the drive panel like so on the left and then slide it to the right until it clicks. Up, here we go. Just a slight slide, don't go crazy. It just slightly slide, like not even a hinge, like not even half a hinge, I would say. Slightly on the right and then the panel locked on. Now the other side. Look at that, it looks already nice. I'm going to do up the opposite side. Here we go. Same procedure. Just be sure the logo of the PlayStation logo is on the top right corner. And then you put the panel slightly on the left and you slide it on the right slightly until it clicks. There we go. Here we go, final result. Now the PlayStation looks very nice and blue, as you can see here, with the nice PlayStation logo on the side, and here from the front it's blue and black. Here we go, and on the side here on this panel it's all nice and blue, and from the back, to show you here, it's all nice and blue, and then you have your own custom design instead of the boring white and black design that it comes with. Something nice also getting your panel directly from Sony and not from a third party is that you will get all the nice PlayStation logo here, the Sony brand here, and in the back you will get also all the little PlayStation controller symbol, the triangle, the cross, the square, etc. on the back of the PlayStation on the panel. So the third party one will have those missing usually. while the official Sony will have all those features like the original.